Hello everyone, this is Samsung Chromebook 500 series 5 series. We are facing a problem on this model. When we press the power button, when it's coming on, after it's coming like this is Chrome OS verification is turned off. So in this series I am going to show you only one option. You can turn on the Chrome OS verification. The first thing you have to do is just press here. This is the reset button. Press here for 2 seconds until the power should off. Okay, remove the charger. Still it's turned on. Yeah, now it's turned on. Off. Here in the side, here are one button. In the side, here are the button. Here is the button. You can move from left to right or right to left. This is the OS verification turn on and off button. This button is already broken, someone from outside, so I am going to show you from the motherboard. First remove the screws 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 button. After that you can remove once you remove the bottom cover, you can see here this is the button. The button is already broken by someone from outside. I have to use the tweezer. Yeah, now it's okay. Now when I plugged in, now this button is turned on. Now I am going to plug in and show you. Now I am going to reset again from here. This is the button, reset button. From here, press this button until the system should be off. Okay. Put the charger again and press the power button again. Yeah, now it's okay. Only the power button only this button you can use for OS verification, turn on and turn off. This one have already someone broken from the outside. You can use any like tweezer or some like this. If the button is on the right side, you can push it back to the left side. If it's on the left side, you can push it back to the right side. That's it. This is the only solution for this model. So now it's working fine. The OS verification is on. This is the secret solution for this Samsung Chrome B500C series. So thank you so much.